How to gain muscle in 2 weeks with the egg diet. Are you looking for a quick and healthy way to gain muscle? If so, you may want to consider the egg diet. This diet has been gaining popularity recently as an effective way to put on muscle mass in a short amount of time. By following the egg diet, you can expect to see results in just 2 weeks. We'll take a look at the egg diet, its benefits, and provide you with tips on how to get the most out of this diet. So if you're ready to start building muscle, keep watching in this video. Are you looking to build muscle and transform your body in just 2 weeks? If so, then the egg diet could be the answer you're looking for. This diet has been used by fitness experts and bodybuilders around the world to rapidly pack on muscle in a short amount of time. We'll take an in-depth look at the egg diet and explore why it works so well to help you gain muscle in 2 weeks. What is the egg diet? The egg diet is a popular diet that has been around for many years, and it involves eating primarily eggs as a main source of protein. This diet has been designed to help people lose weight quickly, although it can also be used to gain muscle in a shorter period. The idea behind this diet is that the high protein content in eggs can help build muscle and burn fat at the same time. Additionally, the egg diet is thought to be easy to follow and cost-effective. Essentially, the egg diet involves eating mostly eggs, some vegetables, and small amounts of other foods such as fish, chicken, and nuts. The idea is to limit the intake of carbohydrates, especially refined carbohydrates like white bread and pasta. This helps to reduce your daily calorie intake and therefore leads to weight loss. For those looking to gain muscle quickly, the egg diet can provide enough protein to aid in building muscle. The main focus of the egg diet is to consume eggs for breakfast and lunch, with other lean proteins and healthy fats for dinner. Additionally, it is important to drink plenty of water throughout the day and have 1 or 2 snacks between meals. This diet requires discipline and commitment, but it can be an effective way to lose weight or gain muscle in a short period. How does the egg diet help you gain muscle? The egg diet is an effective way to gain muscle in just 2 weeks. Eggs are a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth. Eating eggs regularly can help increase the amount of protein your body absorbs and utilize for muscle building. Additionally, eggs are a low-calorie food that helps fill you up without providing unnecessary calories. This can help with weight management, allowing you to focus more on developing your muscles. Furthermore, the egg diet also encourages eating healthy sources of carbs and fats, which provide additional nutrients needed for muscle growth. With the egg diet, you can increase your muscle mass in just 2 weeks. What are some other benefits of the egg diet? Aside from its muscle-building benefits, the egg diet offers many other health advantages. It is high in protein and low in carbs, which makes it a great choice for those looking to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. The egg diet also helps improve digestion and reduce inflammation. The eggs are high in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin B12, magnesium, and selenium. These nutrients can help keep your body functioning properly and reduce the risk of disease. Additionally, eggs are packed with healthy fats, like omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fatty acids, which can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Lastly, the egg diet is a great way to get your daily dose of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. All of these benefits make the egg diet an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their overall health and well-being. How do you follow the egg diet? Following the egg diet is simple. The basis of the diet is eating mostly eggs, as well as other lean proteins, healthy fats, and some low-carbohydrate vegetables. The specific foods you can eat on the egg diet include 1. Eggs. Eat at least 2 or 3 eggs per day. Choose omega-3 enriched eggs for added nutrition. 2. Lean proteins. Fish, chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of red meat are all allowed. 3. Healthy fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, and nuts are great sources of healthy fats that are beneficial for your health. 4. Low-carbohydrate vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, bell peppers, zucchini, and other low-carbohydrate vegetables are great additions to any meal. When it comes to meal timing, you should try to spread out your meals evenly throughout the day. This helps to keep your energy levels up and your metabolism active. Aim for 3 meals a day with a snack in between each meal if needed. It is also important to drink plenty of water while following the egg diet. Water helps to keep you hydrated and helps to flush toxins out of your body. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Finally, be sure to get regular physical activity. Exercise can help boost your metabolism and give you more energy throughout the day. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercises, such as walking or cycling, most days of the week. By following these guidelines, you can safely and effectively follow the egg diet and reach your goal of gaining muscle in 2 weeks.